Hashimoto at the Jim McLean Golf School at Trump Doral in Miami, Florida. So today we're going to just show you a few things about using the BODITRAK golf pressure mat. We're outside in a windy area, there's jets flying around, there's sirens in the background, there's cranes operating, everything's happening, and you won't be able to use the BODITRAK mat outside if you don't have a directional mic. They're only $50 and you can buy them at Staples, at Best Buy, just about any electronics store. They're called a directional mic, and they work best when they have a little windsock around it as well. We have it attached to our laptop. Now, we've been traveling a lot. We just want to give you some suggestions as to the ideas as to how to best use this mat. Well, first of all, for static positions, with the mat in the live position, you just set up your student to whatever position that you want, perhaps for a chip shot, for a putter, for a driver, etc. Get them into that position, using the monitor for biofeedback, and this is critical. Using the monitor for biofeedback, you get them into that 50-50 position, or whatever position it is that you want, 60-40, 50-50, for a chip shot, or on your left side, whatever that it might be. Put them into the correct position, ask them to get off the mat like this, go back to the mat, find that position. They're using the monitor or the big screen, whatever that you've got at your golf academy, indoors or outdoors, to find that position, the correct position. They're getting the feedback from the device. They're listening to you, but they're also listening to the machine. It's a very effective tool. Get them to go off the mat and back onto the mat a few times. And I'm going to tell you something, when you put them in that position, they have a better chance to hit the ball right from the get-go. Now, two very simple things. If all your weight's on your heels at the top of your swing, can you hit the ball very well? If all your weight's on the toes at the top of the swing, can you hit the ball very well? The odds are no. Some guys can get away with it, but the odds are no. So all we do when we're using the mat in a dynamic position, not the static position, now we're going to capture live data. Really, by hitting the live button on the mat, we get the golfer to practice at the top of the swing, getting the weight 50-50 on their back foot at the top of the swing. Get them off the mat, get them to take it to the top of the swing, using the monitor, find the 50-50 on the back foot. Now they're in a position to drive forward. So plant it, park it on the right side, get them used to 50-50 on the back foot. The next thing to do is to get them, the most amazing thing is with the BODITRAK mat, is before golfers even start their downswing, the COP trace indicates that the pressure is moved already to about 70-80% to the left side. Getting them to plant and park the weight on the middle of the back foot, park it on the left foot, about 80% on the left side prior to the downswing. And you can see this jet coming, and I'm going to capture a swing later on with the jet on just to show you that this works. There you go. Welcome to Doral. I don't think they have those jets flying on the golf course. They have the Doral. But regardless, plant it in. The ball is going to move it to 80% on the front foot just prior to the downswing. Plant it, park it, push. I'm going to tell you something. It really works well. Hashimoto at the Jim McLean Golf School at Trump Doral.